Hello again. In our previous video, we saw that how to get all files name from a directory. Now, in this video, we're gonna see that how we can get specific file type files from a folder. Suppose this is your folder and you want to get only PDF files or only Excel files or only PPT files from this folder, then how to get it in UiPath. So first, let's take assign activity over here and we'll give a name called base folder path, and the value we're gonna assign as this path over here. Now I'll take one more assign and I will say file type extension. What kind of file I want? I need to provide the extension like PDF or XLSX for Excel files. Okay, now I will drag for each. In for each file in, and I will use the same directory class here and get files. Now in get files, I will provide two parameters. The first one, from which directory I want the file. So I want that file from base folder path, and what kind of extension I want. So extension, I want all file for, I'm using for all file star. I want the extension as file type extension. So it will provide me all the file names in array with the same extension which I have provided over here. Now string, I have used this asterisk mark over here to ask my computer to give me all the files. Now let's take a log message and we'll see how my files look. So let me check. I have 3 PDF files over here, so it should give me 3 PDF files. Okay, in output I can see I have 3 PDF files over here. Now if I change the extension and I will say XLSX, I want the Excel files of these extensions. So now over here you can see it gave me only one Excel file, and in my folder there's only one Excel file. So thank you for watching my video. We'll see you then. Bye bye.